Learn to draw, mastering the art of drawing for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, learn to draw. This video is designed to help you understand not just the meaning of these words, but also how they can be used in different contexts. Whether you're a budding artist or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. The phrase, learn to draw, is quite straightforward. It combines the verb, learn, which means to acquire knowledge or skill in something through study or experience, with the activity, to draw, which means to produce a picture or diagram by making lines and marks on paper with a pencil, pen, etc. Together, they express the action of gaining the skill to create visual art. Context plays a crucial role in understanding this phrase. For instance, I want to learn to draw cartoons implies a specific area of drawing, while she is learning to draw in art class suggests a formal educational setting. Paying attention to the context can help you grasp the specific meaning and intention behind the phrase. Learn to draw is often used in educational and hobby-related contexts. It's a phrase you might encounter in school curriculums, online courses, and hobby groups. It's also popular in self-improvement contexts, as many people take up drawing as a way to express themselves or as a leisure activity. Understanding this phrase can be particularly useful for those interested in the arts or looking to communicate about educational pursuits. It's a great phrase to use when searching for resources, classes, or guides on drawing. For example, I'm using this book to learn to draw landscapes, or he joined a workshop to learn to draw. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, learn to draw. We hope this video has not only clarified its meaning but also shown you how it can be used in various settings. Remember, learning a new language is like learning to draw. It takes practice, patience, and a willingness to make mistakes. Keep practicing, and you'll surely improve. See you in our next video.